Hello, welcome back. We are finally back from Shanghai, and don't mind zip zip. Okay, so I was gonna film this as an unboxing from POPMART, but I also got like a couple of things, from Taobao, and that one in the back, and I thought I'd show you as well. I might have gone a little bit crazy. I ordered this sweater thing from Yuka House, which I didn't know, but it is probably a Christian brand because I was admiring the package, which is super cool, and there are the proverbs. This is really cool. Maybe I'll put a picture so you can see better here. I thought was not gonna be a really good quality, but I was happy they proved me wrong because their quality is actually really nice. And wait, let me back off so you can see that. So this is the sweater. It has a zipper even though you can see it, which I really like actually. And it has like the double zips. Maybe show if it's still hot outside, you can show up your belly button, which is super cute. Okay, so I don't know but if this has been ripped by accident when transporting it, but it's open, so I hope nothing's wrong with the package. You're not gonna believe what I found. They're cute. I'm not really an Hello Kitty fan. I prefer the other Sanrio characters, but they were like super cute and I couldn't pass up the offer. They were titanium as well, which is surprising for the price. But it's basically the 2 helix piercing that goes like this. And I'll show you where. For the non-piercing enthusiasts, it looks like this. So if you're gonna change them, it's gonna be like this. I found it really cute. It's a fun way of changing up my usual plain earrings. This should be stickers. Oh. I love these ones. It's me and you. Also, it has a texture that is really like matte, but usually when I have paperback books like this, it gives me the ick when I touch it. But this one, it's nice to the touch. These also should be stickers, but I think it's the ones my friends got, so I'll wait for them to open it. Oh, this one also looks super cute. I'll show you, give me a second. I thought they were really funny, especially this one right here. They are really cute, I like them. You don't even see it. I think first we'll open the Zmiskis, which for who doesn't know what those little things are, I'll put it here. Go on, read it. I'll lower you a tiny bit so you can see them better. Show you the one from my friend that I got, but I won't open it because I got it from my friend. Actually, Zmiskis are also blind boxes, but I got this series, which apparently you get the one on the box. I didn't know that, so I got it for me, my brother, and my sister. But I will open them because I got it with my money, and I will open them. This one is the one I got from my best friend. It glows in the dark, and you can use it to hold a little bit of everything. Like you could also giving the scissors. Put this away. So these 3, which are my favorites, and this little dude to zip on my bag. It's actually super cute. I will put it on this one, which is my badge flying out. Wait, I will put it on this one and remove this one because even though it's really cute, it doesn't really match the bag, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this one on here because it looks better. And this is my school bag usually. Yeah, because it can hold a lot of things. It's from Samondo, which is a Korean bag brand, which is actually going super popular right now. I got it a year and a half ago almost, so I'm not following the trend, okay? I had already bought it. Okay, so I haven't got my nails on. Wait. Okay, I'm back just because I'm in my pajamas, which are super cute, by the way. Do you see the frilly, like, little skirt? It's super cute. And there is Jesus here. But I needed to put on my jewelry because I'm nothing without it. I bought a jade bangle, which is super cute. Okay. So, okay, let's start from this one. It says easy install with one touch. Okay, I got it. It's so cute. It looks like it's struggling to hang on my bag. It's so funny. Let's see those. I'll open them pretty quickly because, as I said, there's no secret or anything special. It's just some cute smiskis. Okay. Oh, they are big. Maybe if I can, I'll put a size comparison with my old ones I got like 2 years ago that I have at home. This one is so cute. Look at him. And he's so baby. Like, we got one. They are humongous. Like, if you ever had smiskis, like, I'll do a size comparison. My hand is really big. I don't have small girly hands. I have manly hands. So it's big. It's a happy waiting for hug family. And now the moment you all are waiting for. Yes, I'm talking to you. I couldn't resist. I held off knowing I'd be traveling here for 1 year and a half. I didn't buy anything for a year and a half. And also my birthday is coming up. So this is my present to myself. Okay, I pick this one. Okay, Nyota, the seasons. Okay, so I really like the bamboo after the rain, which in my mind, there is a fly, which in my mind is just a baby asparagus. The secret is always welcome, but apparently I am not good at choosing the secret. So I'll show you first and then I'll look. I'll show you both sides because I don't know which one is the good one. I don't know. Just not my favorite. This is for you. Okay. Oh yeah. In this one, I would really like. I have Curing Hug, which reminds me of Jesus. I really like Budding Life, Dreaming of the Sky, Secret Tears, and Not Just Cute. I also have, I chose silence. I chose silence. I'm scared. I don't know if it's right or not. No! I had just 2 on 13 possible with the secret. And I got this one. This one. The Little Prince series. Everyone was in love with this one. Oh, there are 2 secrets. The secreter secret. And then there is a normal secret. So, my favorite one, it could be the geographer or the lamplighter. But I love them pretty much all. The only one I don't really prefer is the conceited man. And I don't have any of those yet, so I keep trying to take a peek. I can't. You look. I'll twist it in the case it's wrong. I won't look at it. This one is pretty simple, but on the others, it's usually a really nice one. It is twisted. So cute. Oh, I really like this one. Wait. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this little. I love the like little pair-ups that there are with some of those figures of the Hirono and the Nyota. And there are some that pair really well, and they look like little girlfriend and boyfriend. They are so super cute, I swear. Guys, he was being put back on the shelf. It's my baby. This one, another Siga series. We are all kids series. These are the options. Balloon Break, Opening Act, which is given William Shakespeare. I don't like the Walking Hazard or the Watch Out for Bad Guys. Okay. I have to close my eyes, otherwise I will take a peek. Okay. I can't understand which one is it. Is it On Guard? Let's see. I guessed right. Oh, I really like it. Actually, it looks bluer. Does it? Does it glow in the dark? I think it does. Wait. I'm not sure. Maybe it needs charging. But it looks like it would glow in the dark. I like it. It's not... I am happy. I love cats. So this reminds me of a cat. You can guess why, I don't need to tell you. Is it supposed to be a ghost, maybe? No way. I was looking... It has a little baby. Look. It was in my 8th place, maybe. But it has really gone up. Because how cute is that? It's such a little detail. I didn't even watch others unboxing, so I didn't know. We won, guys. We won. I'm actually really happy now. Another Nyota. This is the Growing Up series. On this one, there are quite a few I don't really like. I really like Time. Obviously, I like Feeling and Dream. I do not like Into My Heart and Hidden Love. Time and Dream are the best. And I think Road also, because I'm looking at the small picture. I didn't see the actual figure in the unboxing. Got the card. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's the thinking. Oh, this one is cute. I thought from the like little picture, it looked like she was holding a like big tea bag. I like it. I really like it. Also, she has like this cute color palette. I don't know. I really like it. It's also standing on a willow tree. I think it's in English the name. I love, one of my favorite trees. So there's the last single one, the Echo series, and these are the options. There are only two I don't like. Back Off, which is he wearing a blobfish, a pufferfish? I don't know. Okay. I'm not looking. Actually, did I get it right? Did I get Soul Connection? If it's not gonna be that, then I'm gonna be disappointed. Okay, it is in a little tray. You look, it's smaller. It's not that one. Oh, it has a little crown. I'll show you what I saw, okay? Like I told you, they have super sad backstories, okay? So you unscrew it, and it's like this. My freedom. Oh, also the, like, it's bendable, which is kind of smart. He's just standing here. I can. It's so good. The math I did was basically that since they are cheaper, I'll just spend them there. And this one was how much I would have paid in Italy. This one is how much I actually paid, and this one is what I saved. Which one I like, because you can see since they are slightly bigger. I got this box because I love this. They are all so beautiful. The secret is a teddy bear. Let me know which one you got instead. One Shelter series. I'm sorry, I didn't need to look, but I did. Or otherwise you won't see it. It's a baby. It's like, I know I say this to all the Ironos, but look at them. Look at their little feet. He's hiding in the... Look. Is it the secret? Oh, it's actually big. I think it's the wardrobe. It is. I am so smart. But look at him. Look at him. He's hiding in this. You open now. There is the little hole in the sock. He's written shelter here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Ooh. Sorry, I didn't want to spit it on you. Wow, his eyes are so blue. It's actually strange because you can see it like here from when I pointed to the light. It's actually strange. I think in all the Hironos I got, no one has the blue eyes. This one is the card. I have to do this one. Can't find the card. It's so big. Okay. He's all bringing it to Italy. Look at all the light bulbs. It's so cute. Look at the little light. What is written there? Alien. Alien written on the back. I love this one. It's so cute. He looks so unfazed by what's happening behind him. Oh, cabin. The log cabin. Cabin. I like how he's looking like he stands on business. He's giving you such a side eye. Did I show it up close? Yes, dorone body. Okay, bear with me, guys. My camera is not really good. It's from my old ass iPhone. Get hold of the one from the back. Let's not look at the car from now on. I want you to be surprised like me. Oh, the circles. Oh, fat puppy. I'll put it back on because I keep losing it. This is the card. The tower, look! One of my favorites. Look at him. He's so cute. He also reminds me from Grey from Fairy Tale. It's a little grey. I'll put him here so you can see him better. Look at the castle in the back. I like this one. It feels weird having so many to open, actually. The candle. Yes! Look. Holder. This one is the card. Look at him. I'm gonna go into the night like this. The warrior. Okay. Oh, sorry. I was watching the back is like this. Stay alert. I think there is like a little bone. Yeah. There is. This is the photo. It's all giving little nightmares, kind of. I think I put it the right way. Hey, it's the next day, and yeah, I stopped filming because I was shy. I want to go to get my nails done. What do we think? It's my birthday nails. I think they located like, but we're here to finish what we started yesterday. And I'm gonna be super quick because I don't even, like, we are missing the, you know, because you know better than me, girl. Okay, so we're missing those ones, and I also wanted to open them not on camera and then like show you only which one I found, but you know, so better be safe than sorry. Birdie. Okay, I love it. It's so cute. He's a little angel. Look at him. He's the less angry of the whole collection. Okay, Karina. He's in a little nest. Okay. Next one. Which one is gonna be? I think this one maybe. We're missing Poet and Traffic Cone. This is Traffic Cone. Wait, why is he so cute, actually? What is his little head? Is it magnetic or just like, because the School Pandas ones have magnetic stuff. Yes, it is. Aww. They're so cute together, by the way. What? Last one. Poet. Cute. I love this one. I'll keep the little. Look at him. He's holding a martini. A little walking stick, like a real gentleman. And then he has the little book. This one is the poet. Actually, Traffic Cone is cuter than I expected. It may be my favorite one. Okay. Yeah, I think this one is my favorite. He has a little like purple eye, like someone punched him. Okay, I think for this video it may be all. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you in a next video. and have fun, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.